Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Kids, first we use the color of black, blue color, red color, black color, green color, and the last one is yellow color. But now we use black color. First we draw the letter of A. Now we draw B. Kids, the next one is C. And now we draw D. The next one is E. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. The next one is G. Now we draw the letter of H. Kids, the next one is I. I for eyes. And now we draw J. The next one is K. Now we draw L. The next one is M. Now we draw N. O. The letter of P. Kids, now we draw Q. And the next one is R. Now we draw S. T. Now we draw U. And the next one is V. W. X. Now we draw Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo. Z for zebra. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.